For years, Linux users have proudly repeated the same argument whenever security came up. Linux is safer, Linux is more transparent, Linux is less targeted by attackers, and Linux gives users more control over their systems than any mainstream operating system. While much of that remains true in 2026, there is a growing reality that many desktop Linux users are still ignoring. The threat landscape has changed dramatically, and the idea that Linux users can simply install a distro and forget about security is becoming increasingly dangerous. If you use Linux as your daily operating system, this is a conversation you cannot afford to skip. The biggest misconception among desktop Linux users is that malware only targets Windows. That belief may have made some sense years ago when Linux desktop market share was tiny and attackers focused almost entirely on Windows environments. But in 2026, Linux has achieved something many enthusiasts dreamed about for decades. It is more popular than ever. More gamers are using Linux, more professionals are adopting Linux, and more beginners are installing Linux as an alternative to expensive operating systems. Unfortunately, popularity brings attention, and attention attracts attackers. Cybercriminals are no longer looking only at large corporate servers running Linux. They are increasingly targeting desktop users through malicious packages, fake software repositories, phishing attacks, compromised browser extensions, and social engineering campaigns specifically designed for Linux users. Many of these attacks do not exploit Linux itself. Instead, they exploit human behavior. The operating system can be secure, but if a user installs malicious software or gives away credentials, even the strongest security model can be defeated. One of the fastest-growing threats is the spread of fake software packages. Linux users often trust package managers, and for good reason. Official repositories are generally among the safest software distribution methods in the industry. However, attackers know this trust exists. They create fake GitHub projects, cloned websites, unofficial repositories, and convincing download pages that mimic legitimate software. A user searching for a tool online may unknowingly download a modified version containing spyware, credential stealers, or backdoors. Another serious concern is the explosion of AI-powered phishing attacks. In previous years, phishing emails often contained obvious grammar mistakes and suspicious wording. In 2026, attackers use advanced AI tools to generate highly convincing messages that look professional and authentic. Linux users may receive fake security alerts, fraudulent software update notices, or messages pretending to come from open-source developers. These attacks are becoming harder to detect because the quality of deception has improved dramatically. Browser security is also becoming a major battlefield. Most Linux users spend a large percentage of their computing time inside a web browser. Whether you use Firefox, Chromium, Brave, or another browser, the browser has become the primary gateway to your digital life. Banking, email, cloud storage, messaging, and work applications all live inside the browser. Attackers understand this and increasingly focus on malicious extensions, credential theft techniques, and browser-based exploits rather than operating system vulnerabilities. Many users also underestimate the risks associated with third-party software sources. Flatpak, AppImage, Snap packages, and independent repositories provide tremendous flexibility, but they also increase the number of places from which software can be obtained. While these technologies offer convenience, users must verify software authenticity carefully. Installing applications from unknown publishers without proper verification is becoming one of the most common ways attackers gain access to Linux desktops. Gaming has become another unexpected attack vector. Linux gaming has grown massively thanks to compatibility technologies and improved hardware support. As more users play games on Linux, cybercriminals are beginning to target gaming communities. Fake mods, cheat tools, cracked games, and unofficial launchers often contain malicious payloads. Many users disable security precautions in pursuit of convenience, creating opportunities for attackers to compromise systems through seemingly harmless gaming-related downloads. Remote work has introduced additional challenges. Millions of people now use Linux laptops for professional tasks, accessing sensitive corporate information from home networks. Attackers recognize that compromising a personal device can provide a pathway into business environments. This has led to more sophisticated credential theft campaigns, fake collaboration tools, and targeted attacks against remote workers. Even users who believe they are not valuable targets may possess information worth stealing. Perhaps the most alarming development is the rise of supply chain attacks. Instead of targeting individual users directly, attackers compromise software components, developer tools, libraries, or distribution channels. A trusted application may become dangerous if one part of its software supply chain is compromised. Open-source software remains incredibly powerful and beneficial, but modern users must understand that trust requires verification. Blindly assuming every package is safe is no longer a responsible security strategy. The good news is that protecting your Linux system does not require advanced cybersecurity expertise. The first and most important step is keeping your system updated. Security patches exist for a reason. Many successful attacks exploit vulnerabilities that already have available fixes. Regular updates significantly reduce risk and ensure your system benefits from the latest security improvements developed by maintainers and contributors. Strong password practices are equally important. Reusing passwords across multiple services remains one of the most dangerous habits in modern computing. A single leaked password can lead to multiple compromised accounts. Using a password manager and enabling multi-factor authentication wherever possible dramatically improves security. Even if credentials are stolen, additional authentication layers can prevent attackers from gaining access. Users should also carefully review browser extensions. Every installed extension increases the potential attack surface. Remove extensions you do not need, verify publisher authenticity, and periodically audit permissions. Some extensions request access to all browsing activity, making them extremely powerful if compromised. Limiting unnecessary browser components can significantly reduce exposure to threats. Another essential habit is verifying downloads before installation. Whenever possible, use official repositories and trusted sources. If software is downloaded from a project website, verify signatures and checksums when available. While this may sound technical, it has become an increasingly valuable practice as attackers create more convincing fake download pages. A few extra seconds spent verifying software can prevent serious problems later. Network security should not be ignored either. Home routers often receive less attention than desktop systems despite serving as the gateway to the Internet. Change default passwords, update router firmware, disable unnecessary services, and review connected devices regularly. An insecure network can undermine the security of every device connected to it, including Linux systems. Data backups are another critical layer of defense. Security is not only about preventing attacks but also about recovering from them. Hardware failures, ransomware, accidental deletion, and software corruption can all result in data loss. Maintaining regular backups ensures that important files remain accessible even when something goes wrong. The best backup strategy is one that exists before disaster strikes, not after. Linux remains one of the most secure desktop operating systems available today. The kernel continues to improve, distributions continue to strengthen security defaults, and the open-source community continues to identify and fix vulnerabilities at an impressive pace. However, security is not a destination. It is an ongoing process. The increasing popularity of Linux means that users must evolve alongside the changing threat landscape. The message for 2026 is not that Linux is failing or becoming insecure. The real message is that Linux is becoming important enough to attract serious attention from attackers. The old assumption that Linux users are invisible no longer applies. Whether you are a gamer, developer, student, content creator, or professional, your system contains valuable data worth protecting. Staying informed, practicing good security habits, and remaining cautious online can make the difference between a secure Linux experience and a costly mistake. So before you dismiss security warnings with the familiar phrase, "I use Linux, I'm safe," take a moment to reconsider. Linux provides incredible tools, strong protections, and unmatched transparency, but no operating system can protect users who ignore modern threats. The attacks are becoming smarter, the tactics are becoming more convincing, and the stakes are becoming higher. The best time to secure your Linux system is not after an attack happens. The best time is right now, before it is too late.